I just got hit in the head with some freaking snow that just fell out of like nowhere. Oh my god, maybe it came from the power lines? I don't know. How do I look? How do I look here? Well, hey guys, Alex here in the city's York Borough at Dufferin Street and Eglinton Avenue West. Walked here from my place. I was just filming a walking video here in the aftermath of this 30 centimeter plus blizzard we got last night. Thunder showers, and there's like no words to describe this. It's unbelievable. Everybody's out there clearing the cars, and of course kudos to all the first responders and TPC operators are working hard, moving people safely. And yeah, I had to like slowly tiptoe my way through and let people on as well. Because all this snow here, it's literally going up to my my ankle. It's nuts. It's mind-boggling. But hey, at least it's not super cold outside. Anyway, so yeah, we're right behind of Fairbank Station here on the Eglinton line. Soon enough, one day it'll be up and running. And now we're going on to Vaughan Road. Again, this is all unplanned. I do not know where the hell I'm gonna go, but we'll just go with it. We'll just go with it and see what's up. Whoa! Holy fuck! Sorry for the obscenity there, but I gotta be careful. There's gonna be a lot of falling snow, and as I just mentioned, I kind of got hit in the head with it. I'm all right though. I'm not hurt. Oh my gosh! See, look! See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? Yeah, so everybody's still out and about, so I wonder what the other TO vloggers like Johnny and Ken wonder what we're going to be up to today. Last night, they both did their fair share of content, and same with Lizzo and Henry. In fact, Henry, he went out for like 5 hours. I would not do that. I would not be out for 5 hours. This guy is a trooper, man, and now he's nearly catching up to me in subscribers. You know who you are. Also, as I've when I was filming the last walking video from my place, the streets I was walking on, I mean, yes, obviously there are a lot of people clearing the snow off the sidewalk in front of their driveways, but it just looks so picturesque with all the snow and the branches. I have not walked down this part of Vaughan Road in ages. Actually, I think it's been 2 years since I've walked this part of Vaughan, because when it was like during the COVID lockdowns in 2021, I actually filmed a walking video. It's one of my early walking videos, which was on a damn gimbal. I just went the entire length of Vaughan, all the way down. It was just crazy. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take Vaughan down to, let's say, Oakwood, or I don't know. We'll see. But you guys are probably gonna give me like a thumbs up. Saw so many people giving me little smiles and waves. Also now, like it's just a matter of decisions, like if it's safe to like walk on the road like this guy's doing, or on the sidewalk. But of course, a lot of the sidewalks here have not been plowed. Obviously the city is gonna be doing a lot of cleanup efforts throughout the day and probably into tomorrow as well. Okay, screw it, we're just gonna go on the road. It's not a danger or anything. Especially if you're trying to struggle like walking. So now we're walking southeast here. Vaughan Road's very interesting. This might be a good thumbnail opportunity here. In fact, let's grab a picture. Ah, my phone camera's out of focus. Shit. There we go. Well, there's Northcliffe Boulevard. So a lot of these streets will take you back up to Eglinton, where I was. But we're just gonna continue Whoa, I almost slipped there. Oh, that sidewalk is clear. Good. I can actually go down there. Because over there it's not even cleared. Everybody's living in these houses here, so... yeah, this is much better. Whew. I might even get a third video in. I've been out for like, what, 30 minutes now? I've woke up like 9. I had planned on doing this. I really have. And I'm just really cranking up all these walking videos. So I'm gonna get the post blizzard ones up today, tomorrow, maybe the next day as well. Then I'll just get back to the pre-blizzard videos. Oh my god, look at that view. I hope there's a CN Tower view coming up. You know, on Vaughan Road, you're gonna tend to see a lot of that. I think I just took a little snapshot there. Cause, you know, I just can't resist. I absolutely cannot resist. Whoop. Guy's revving up his engine pretty fast. Who's got the guts to do this? Walking down Vaughan Road in York. Post blizzard. It's a winter wonderland. I don't want to be singing that song. It's not freaking Christmas. It's March. Yes, today's Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. And despite that spring is like 4 weeks away, we're still going to be getting this. This is probably not the last hurrah. This is Canada, for crying out loud. This is what we're always going to be getting. Well, here in Ontario, Quebec specifically. Because we get a lot of snow. And same with like out west, but not much. Especially for like British Columbia. Ooh, this guy's jogging here. Ooh. And here's Glenholm Avenue. I'm just gonna film until my battery dies. It's now at 2 bars. It tends to die very fast when I'm filming in such weather like this, you know? Keep in mind this. By the way, guys, free grill me in the comments because I'm on the road. Yes, I am staying away. I stay a lot back from cars, and I only got to walk on the road if the sidewalk is just so it's just so full of snow, and it's a struggle. Okay, I think here's okay now. Imagine if we get like snow removal like how Montreal does. I know I've already mentioned this in my last walking video. Montreal was getting a shit ton of our share. And as I mentioned before, I bet you Elsa McFall, who's a viewer of this channel, he does some great snow removal videos. And I bet you today, even, he's probably going to be out. And also, kudos to you. I wish you kind of had snow removal here. There was one of these very rare instances we had to, like last year, for example, when we got to 60 centimeters. And also for, I think, the 98, 99 blizzard. Of course, a lot of people were referring to that year when Molassman, who was the first mayor of the megacity of Toronto, had to call in the Canadian Army. Because there was so much snow. Actually, my dad was working through all of that back then. Okay, I think the other side might be a little better. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I got a little break here. I have a little break here. Morning. Give it up. Oh shit, there we go. Guys, like, has anybody got a shovel? My God. Anyway, Oakwood Avenue is coming up. I don't know if I'm going to continue down Vaughan Road or not, but I am going to veer off. I'm going to veer off at some point. If it were getting like flurries or it was still like snowing at its peak, I would not be filming with the camera. Because as you guys already know, if you're like filming in a freaking huge blizzard like this, that's not gonna be good for the camera. You know, it's gonna make it like so wet, condensation. It's gonna go up. So that's why, like, when I did past snow videos, I had to film with the phone because it was a lot easier. So let's just work our way through here. Keep it up, y'all are gonna be on YouTube. Woo! So let's get another shot here of Vaughan Road. Oh shit, I got some messages to respond to. Okay, I'm gonna take a little pause here, and then I'll continue. Anyway, now we're safe for now. and excuse me. And again, my voice may sound a little off because I recently had a cold, but I'm a lot better now. Whew. Fucking in a winter wonderland. Yeah. At least the sun is somewhat out. It's crazy because I filmed 3 walking videos yesterday in the East End, and I was talking about how brutal this is going to be. I predicted it. I predicted it. The weather reporters and meteorologists were not wrong. And this is a very famous intersection here in New York. Other than Weston Road in Eglinton and Lawrence, Old Weston Road, Rogers Road. Okay, I gotta respond to some messages here, so I'll be right back. Oh my God, look how freaking huge the snowbank is. Ugh. Hey, the sun is out. Yay, hallelujah. Well, it's already been out. Just to mention that. Okay, why don't we head north briefly up Oakwood, or I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. I'm already having my sights set on going back. I'm not even sure if I'll even get a 3rd video in. But I'll try anyway. Because it's just brutal. It's crazy out there. I thought of taking my sunglasses out, but I just declined to. Whoa, shit. Okay, it wasn't so bad, but still. Oh man, I got that silly song stuck in my head. Thanks a lot to myself, Alex. Okay, why don't we let's head east here on Belvedere. And maybe I'll find my way back up to Eglinton. I don't know if this might be a long video or not, but it might be. Whew. Let's get a little snapshot here. And I'll figure out what to do with the thumbnails. Yes, I do have pictures for my phone as well. Could use that, but it's much easier for me to do this with the camera as I'm editing, you know? Okay, I might get a little break here. This won't be for long, though. Yeah, this might be the second and last one for the day. It's just crazy. I'm not even gonna go back out after this. Let's get a little break here for a bit. So now we're walking east. Maybe I'll continue heading east here until I get to like maybe Winona Drive. Also, I thought of going over to Forest Hill, but nah, I've already done enough vids in Forest Hill in the snow. I mean, don't get me wrong, Forest Hill looks so beautiful in the snow. I just done it too much. I just haven't gone around to walking around here yet. Here's Glenora Avenue. Jesus, this is like art. I don't care what ever say. This is like a work of art here. Turn this into a portrait. Ugh, my goodness. Look, if I was walking in Keelsdale, it would be like much worse, because you know that neighborhood is often very hilly. People have a hard time just going up like Blackthorn Avenue or Trowell Avenue, those like little side streets there, or maybe even Silverthorn Avenue. No, it's brutal. Maybe I might have been there during a snowstorm a long time ago, but certainly not recently. Okay, I'm gonna find Winona Drive. Maybe the next few, maybe it might be at the end of the road there. Almeida Avenue. Am I walking on ice here? It looks a bit slippery. Woo! Okay, let's head north. If we can try to head north. Oh, Winona's right there, but I'll just head a block up here, and then I'll head back to Eglinton, and then slowly start. Actually, at this point, I'm just gonna slowly start walking back home. I was hoping to get a third video in, but nah. And seeing that the battery might go down pretty fast too. At this rate. Ah, look. Oh my god. You know what? Forget it. Forget it. It's just a bit of a hassle to go over that shit. And it's not even clear. Look, now I'm running here. I'm just trying to find a good way to like get around this. Whew. Anyway, so that's Winona Drive coming up. Wonder how many side streets in the city have been unplowed. Obviously, a lot of the main ones, the highways especially, they've already done their thing. Jeez. Ugh. I am very careful on the road. Don't worry. Alright, so now we're gonna start heading north. And then I think I'll wrap this up at Eglinton. Sheesh. Maybe it would have like gone out later, but no, I couldn't wait to get out. I don't know, walking some of these side streets here in New York, I mean, they don't have like the Montreal vibes, because it's not like they have these like little like low-rise beautiful apartments. Maybe the annex probably get like good vibes, but from this setting and the background, it reminds me of the plateau covered in snow. Anyway, I'm getting out of here, because this is like brutal. Oh my gosh. Oh good, he's turning. As long as people don't come through here, I am good. Wonder how my cousin is doing in Newcastle, because Newcastle is in a rural part of GTA. And let me guess, how well you got like a lot. Whoa! Holy shit! Imagine if I just took a little wipe down there in my ass. Not be good at all. No bueno. I'd like to continue doing this for long. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna head home. I'll get the first walking video edited and publish it right away. So the Blizzard videos, 2 of them, they're gonna be the first to go up. And then hey, why don't we head up to Atlas Road instead, and then I can just cross over at the street lights at Allen Road. If I keep heading east, I'd be in Biafra and Cedarville neighborhood. I'd also find myself at Cedarville Park. I already filmed the walking video around there 2 days ago. Anyway, I think this is like, well, this is ideal. I'm just gonna take the path home, since they've already went down Marley Avenue. I gotta clear my throat here. Excuse me. Y'all are doing wonderful out there. Imagine if I was at Kielstale, I had to be doing all this, you know? A lot of birds and a lot of squirrels. Only saw one. Ooh. Okay, let me just step back up into the road. Much faster to walk on the middle, not the inside of the sidewalk, as I've already mentioned. But it's not really a danger. Everybody slows down here anyways. It's a residential street. But what more can you expect? You're on YouTube. You're doing great. Keep it up. See, I knew they were like looking at me. Woo! That guy sounded like he had an English accent. He was like, here we are, here we are. Yeah, I've gotten like a lot of thumbs up waves. But I'm probably assuming none of these people know that I live around here, and I have a YouTube channel with over 1,300 subscribers. That is always out and about. No, not to say I'm copying Lizzo's line. I think that'll probably be it for me today. Been out for like way too long. Okay, not super long, but still. Again, I mean, I brought my pouch. had my presser card with me just in case, you know, I went a little far and I wanted to take the bus back. Okay, is this good? Not for long. Yeesh. Hey, there's the, no, that's not the police station. That's the Jewish center here. Hebrew Academy. See, even we got parking machines here in New York. Look at this, there's a guy like riding his bike in the snow. Okay, so I'm gonna cross over at the lights where Eglinton meets Allen Road. And yeah, Johnny was he was streaming here last night. He had like over freaking 3,500 people watching at the same time, and I was one of them. I did chat like twice. Normally I don't really do that anymore, but I did. Just wanted to give some fellow Torontonian vloggers some support. Unless I'm gonna take the 109, but that's probably like much slower. Much slower. Anyway, guys, I think we're almost done here. Look, Hybrid Nova on the 63. By the way, the main reason why the Nova hybrids moved from Arrow to Wilson for the NG hybrids is because of the violent incidents on the TTC, and I think some of the Wilson operators, they wanted a lot more barriers on the hybrid ones. So slow down there, buddy. Almost like wiped me out there. Wait, that's it, that's all. I'm gonna turn this camera off now and look at this. Oh, this sign is like, how long has this sign been up there? And this is when Eglinton West Station was closed from the dates, and they had to, of course, they had to build a temporary outdoor shelter here, and temporary create a route called the 163 Oakwood, which overlaps parts of the 63 Ossington and the 109 to Lawrence West. Sadly, I wasn't making a whole lot of videos because of course, in 2020, nearly 3 years ago, that was the beginning of the pandemic. Look, there's the 109. There's the 109. But I am probably gonna get home before the bus turns around. It's probably gonna be a lot slower, but I'm taking the easiest way home now. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, leave a like and comments and subscribe. I appreciate your positive comments, of course, and not the bullshit ones. And if you want to support the channel, give me a token of appreciation, you can always do so. Go to my PayPal, or there's a super thanks button below the video if you choose to do so that way. And yeah, a lot more walking videos to come, probably still in these conditions as the days go by. This will not be the last for sure. Maybe as I'm heading home, I'll just take still pictures with the camera here, and not with the phone. And my hands are not even freezing. I don't know why I brought these gloves out for. Maybe just in case, but you know, that's me. Alright, guys, take care. Adios, sayonara, au revoir, and stay safe. Be good.